Hello everybody, small tutorial how to extend the frequency band. Sometimes we have TYT UV99 with the frequency band which is on ham bands only from 144 to 146 megahertz right here, and the second band from 430 to 440, and you can type frequencies from the PMR band. For extending the frequency band, turn off the radio, hold this button under the PTT and 9 at the same time, and turn on the radio. Release these buttons and try to type the frequency. Yeah, this frequency works pretty good. 400, 480, and right here 136 to 174. If you'd like to go back to only ham bands, just hold this button, just turn off the radio, hold this button and lock button, turn on the radio again, and you see only ham bands in your radio